Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So the other day I was attempting to do an unboxing of the Kathleen Lights Zodiac collection. I may place that in front of this, but it's been crazy here lately, so I had to like stop the video. So anyways, I might put that up here. Anyways, it doesn't matter because I haven't even opened this up yet. But typically I do not order the PR boxes, and I'll tell you why. Because I don't have room for the pretty packaging that I would absolutely love to just store and look at and keep forever. So I wind up having to throw away a lot of beautiful boxes. That being said, when this came out, I'm sorry, I'm moving stuff around on my table. When I saw Kathleen Lights and I watched her video on her release, this is like a actual little drawer that opens up. And I thought, oh my gosh, this is so unique. I can so keep this and display it. It is not just a pretty big box with a couple of things in it that looks nice. This is an actual little tiny cabinet that I can keep. So when you open it up, you see the whole collection. This is adorable, and the doors are magnetic. I absolutely love it. I love it. As the first PR package I bought. I don't get PR. I wish I did, but that being said, let's open this PR together, because I was not going to buy anything from Colourpop for a while because they were releasing too much, but I do love Kathleen Lights, and this really caught my eye. So this is the Zodiac collection by Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. Here's the palette. The packaging is absolutely stunning. Look at all that beautiful gold drawings of all the Zodiac symbols. On the back are the names. I am an Aquarius, by the way. So let's open this up. When you open it, it is a blue palette in black packaging. I like that. So this says, doesn't say that it is cruelty free. Okay, 12 shadows times 1 gram. It has a little mirror, which is great, and I know a lot of people enjoy that. I enjoy it as well when I am, you know, going away for the weekend and I want to take something and have the mirror with me. It is easier. This is the first time I open this and see this. Here are the shadows. Which one am I? Where am I? Aquarius. Let's find Aquarius. Okay, I'm this like lavender kind of shade. Beautiful. Oh, if that works well, that would be amazing. I would love that. Would be great. So let's go through the swatches here. So I'm going to name them off as I do it. We have the Aries, the Taurus, the Gemini. Be helpful if you could see, huh? Grab my wipe. Then we have the Cancer, the Leo, and the Virgo. So she's got some neutrals in here, which is good because you want to be able to put it in the crease. Some people don't care about that, but a lot of people do. So I think she kind of thought of everybody. And we have the Libra, the Scorpio, and the Sagittarius. Look at those purples. Oh my goodness. And then we have the Capricorn, which is a black with gold specks. The Aquarius and the Pisces. Oh my gosh, look at the Pisces. Oh, that is so beautiful. Wow. Okay, so all I can say about the palette is I am impressed. Of course, I have not used it yet. If you would like, I will do a tutorial. I know my videos can get really long with tutorials, but I can do one eye on, one eye off to kind of shorten it up. So if you would like a tutorial on this palette, I will definitely do one, and I will definitely do an update on all the products I show you. If I forget, ask me on a product, because I tend to forget, and it is not intentional. But look at those swatches. I am very impressed. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 mattes and 6 shimmers. Gorgeous. Absolutely, I think she hit it out of the park with this. Then we have 2 of the Colourpop Shock highlights. I do not care for the Colourpop Shock shadows. It's just my own personal preference. There's nothing bad about them. I just don't grab for them, so I gave them away. This one is on the cusp, but I will use their highlighters. Yes, I will. There we go. So pretty. I don't know if you can see that. I put it in a bad spot. Right here. So beautiful. Can you see? Let me do one more swatch. And these are so creamy smooth. Again, nothing against Colourpop with the Shock shadows, but I do love their highlighters, loose or with them being the Shock kind. So that is on the cusp. So last time I checked, they were sold out of everything, but they were replenishing them. But I don't know if they're bringing back the PR box, but they do have a bundle. Okay, this one is Super Shock Cheek Pearlized. Here it is. These are so soft. It is just like melting as I swatch it. There we go. So beautiful. Those are gorgeous. I am so gonna use these. Okay, I'm actually gonna keep the little set in this little cabinet. Then they have, which is one of my favorite lipsticks, the Luxe lipsticks, and they have Scorpio Moon and What Is Your Sign. Look at how beautiful the packaging is. You just talk about detail. I mean, it's just phenomenal. This whole set is beautiful, and I love these lipsticks. I have so many of them. They're gorgeous. Look at that neutral rose color. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Right up my alley. We'll go with, I think, any skin tone, absolutely, and with any kind of a eye look. Oh my gosh, beautiful. I think these retail for $7 each if you buy them separate. And then the highlighters, I believe, are $8, but I could be off. The palette, I think, is $12, but I didn't buy anything separate, so just don't quote me. This color is Scorpio Moon. There. So pretty. Such a pinky rose color. Okay. Love their Luxe lipsticks. I can't say enough about them. And then they put 2 Supernova eyeshadows in here. I am not a big fan of their Supernova eyeshadows. I don't even know if I'm going to use them. I actually don't want to swatch them because I might put them in a giveaway, but it is part of my set. Let me open it up. I'm just not going to swatch it. It looks very champagne-y gold to me. I don't know, maybe I will try it on top of an eyeshadow because I do kind of want to keep this set together. And that is in the color Constellation. Definitely like a champagne-y gold color. Then we have Astrology. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That is the most unique liquid eyeshadow I've ever seen. It's like a greenish yellow. But I mean, I'm probably gonna definitely try these out. So anyways, that is it for the collection. I believe these retail for $7. Again, don't quote me because I bought the bundle. I absolutely love this little set. This is going to be displayed, and when I want to go use something out of it, I will just take it out, use it, and then put it back. This was, I believe, $69, and I think that is a phenomenal deal for the whole bundle. I'm very, very happy with the set. And again, let me know if you want a tutorial. I will definitely do an updated review on the products because I have not tried them out, and I want to give you my true and honest opinion. Although the Luxe lipsticks I have a ton of, I can say they're phenomenal, and the Shock highlighters, I'm pretty sure they're amazing. I have used some in the past. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have tried this collection out. If you have, what did you pick up? And what do you like? Or what would you like to pick up? Anyways, leave that in the comment section below and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my video. I will see you soon. Bye.